ocean, or cell outer space, quick merit.
Yeah. One of the ways origin of life researchers try to get around the insurmountable problems with explaining origin of life here on Earth is to a delivery of life extra-planetary or and the idea is that life didn't originate on Earth, it was delivered to Earth through some kind of transport mechanism. The problem with those scenarios are legion, though. For example, if a bacteria be exposed by energy, its survivability is going to be rather short-limited, and once the frictional heating through our atmosphere to arrive on the Earth would be so intense that it would sterilize any kind of organism that would be present in that delivery vehicle. So it's very difficult to envision how life could survive that transportation, how it could survive impactors to the Earth. Huge amounts of energy are needed, which would incinerate life forms. So it's a mechanism of desperation in my mind.